name is Joe Pelly. I'm the Sheriff of Boulder County. I've been the Sheriff in Boulder County since 2003. I've been a police officer in this community, in this county, for 34 years. And I've seen a lot of things, a lot of tragedy, a lot of drama, fires, disasters, crimes, homicides, officer-involved shootings. But the events that began the week of September 9th, 2013, and really started to inundate us on September 11th, will forever, in my mind, be a history maker.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
Yeah, I'm trapped on Longmont Dam Road. My car is overturned. I'm sitting on top of it. It's floodwater.
Stand by, please, and we're sending fire to Longmont Dam Road and North St. Vrain. We have a vehicle on its side in the water with a party on top of the vehicle. All Boulder County units dealing with flood issues, you're going to be taking your radio traffic to yellow 2. Again, all Boulder County units dealing directly with flood issues, you're going to be taking your traffic to yellow 2.
The western half of our county is very mountainous, with steep canyon walls, and up to 18 inches of rain poured down in that area, and all that rain went down to the bottom of those canyons and destroyed all of those roads and bridges and roadways, and essentially cut our access to the mountains completely off.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
My house is falling down the hill. All rocks have fallen down. The doors have caved in. The whole house is on an angle.
Okay.
My husband's stuck on the lower level, and I'm on the upper level.
Okay, the road has slid again. Do you have phone contact with that person? I can try and get them back on the phone. Go ahead. Okay, I can try to walk to them, but that's the only way I'm going to get to them. Just see if there's any way they can make it up the hill.
As the rains quit and the clouds subsided, we launched the largest search and rescue operation in the history of the state. With the help of the National Guard, the military out of Fort Carson, FEMA, we began evacuating a couple thousand people who were stranded in the mountains. FEMA sent their urban search and rescue teams from across the western part of the United States to help us. At one point, we had almost 1,000 people on the ground helping us search homes and debris piles and canyons, looking for survivors or people that might need help. The effort that our department put on, the level of coordination, the amount of work our deputies and our first responders in this county did for countless hours for those first several days was truly remarkable and actually very heroic. The National Guard helicopters airlifted over 1,100 people out of the mountains, and they did over 25 hoist lifts, people off of rooftops and out of trees and off of roadways. They evacuated by high clearance trucks over 800 people from the Lyons area, driving through 6 to 8 feet of running water. rains and the floods that we experienced changed lives, changed homes, changed businesses, changed roadways, changed our maps, changed our riverways, our streams forever. And even though it's been a number of months, we're still in the middle of an intense recovery.